Welcome to Expert Viewpoints, Digital Transformation Journey. In this video, experts will explore how digital transformation has influenced the role of business analysis within their organizations. They will discuss the key challenges and opportunities encountered during their digital transformation journeys, particularly from a business analysis perspective.
Digital transformation has really shifted my focus from traditional methods towards leveraging advanced analytics and automation technologies strategically within our organization. Now we are able to analyze large amounts of data more effectively than ever before, while gaining deep understanding or insights into customer behavior patterns or operational efficiencies across departments. As a result, I'm more involved in strategic decision-making process where these insights guide our initiatives going forward, and it feels great to contribute meaningfully.
Digital transformation has broadened the scope of the business analyst, pushing analysts to work more closely with IT, data, and digital teams. The role now emphasizes data-driven insights, requiring analysts to interpret analytics and use tools like AI and automation to inform decision-making. Agile methodologies have been central, with business analysts ensuring digital initiatives aligned and evolving business goals through iterative processes. Their role has expanded to include understanding and integrating emerging technologies like cloud computing and AI. Additionally, there's a stronger focus on enhancing customer experience, making customer journey mapping and user experience design critical. Increased cross-departmental collaboration means analysts must mediate between stakeholders in different functions. Overall, they play a key role in driving both innovation and digital strategy within the organization.
Digital transformation has greatly expanded the role of business analysis within our organization. We faced hurdles such as resistance to change, data integration complexities, and skill gaps. To overcome these, we implemented change management programs, upskilled teams through training, and used data integration platforms to streamline systems. These efforts unlocked opportunities like improved operational efficiency, deeper customer insights, and even the creation of new business models. One example is when we leverage data analytics to enhance our customer segmentation, leading to a 20% increase in targeted marketing effectiveness.
Digital transformation is the strategic integration of digital technologies into all areas of an organization, fundamentally changing how it operates and delivers value to customers. Digital transformation has significantly impacted the role of business analysts in a number of ways. First of all, it requires expanded skill sets. BAs must now understand and leverage emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, cloud computing, and data analytics. It requires enhanced collaboration. BAs play a major, crucial role in bridging the gap between IT and business, ensuring that digital solutions align with business objectives. In addition, it requires a focus on innovation. BAs are increasingly involved in driving innovation and continuous improvement within organizations, helping to identify opportunities for digital enhancements.
With the digital transformation, it has been possible to increase business satisfaction with delivery. I believe that the main gap is the lack of trained professionals in this area. Technologies have evolved and continue to evolve. There is a great need for companies to modernize their process, but there is difficult in finding people with technical skills who know how to talk and understand the needs of the business. So I think this is a great opportunity because people who are able to transform the needs of the business in technical requirements will be the difference in the market.
What are the key challenges and opportunities you have encountered during your digital transformation journey, particularly from a business analysis perspective?
Key challenges during our digital transformation journey included navigation, legacy, system integration, ensuring stakeholder alignment, and addressing the rapidly evolving technology landscape. However, these challenges also opened up opportunities for innovation and process optimization. From a business analysis perspective, we played a pivotal role in bridging the gap between business needs and technical solutions, which resulted in enhanced collaboration and a more agile organization. These efforts led to successful projects that improved our customer engagement and drove cost savings through process automation.
As we have gone through our digital transformation journey at work, I have faced both challenges and opportunities from a business analysis perspective. One key challenge has been overcoming resistance among team members who are used to doing things the old way. It can be tough for people to adapt. But this has also given me opportunities to advocate for training sessions that highlight these new technologies and the advantages while fostering an open culture where innovation becomes part of our daily routine.
Let's build on the three digital transformation impacts I shared earlier. First of all, expanding skill sets. What are the challenges? Keeping up with rapidly evolving technologies and acquiring new skills can be demanding and time consuming, but what is the opportunity? BAs can leverage these new skills to drive innovation and improve business processes, making themselves invaluable assets to their organizations. Secondly, we touched upon enhanced collaboration, the challenge. Ensuring effective communication and collaboration across diverse teams and departments can be difficult, especially in remote or hybrid work environments, which today has become much more of a norm. But the opportunity, improved collaboration tools and practices can lead to more cohesive teams, better decision making, and more successful project outcomes. Finally, focus on innovation. There are challenges. Balancing the need for innovation with maintaining existing systems and processes, this can be tricky. But there is an opportunity. BAs can identify and implement cutting edge solutions that streamline operations, enhance customer experiences, and provide a competitive edge.